Light smoke windscreen. I am loving it.
I didn't tighten it properly, man. The visor is hanging from the front two bolts. Shit.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted any long form content, so today I have something for you guys. This is the stock visor on the BMW S1000RR. Previously, this is what I was running, Puig R Racer windscreen. Unfortunately, a few of you guys suggested that this windscreen is too dark, you're not able to see anything in front of the screen through the camera. So here we go. I got us a light smoke windscreen. Let's install this and see how it looks. To remove this windscreen, you have these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now all you have to do is pull the lower part of the windscreen upwards and slide the entire windscreen backwards. Make sure to keep these bushes and remove these bushes also. Now let's install the bushes into the new windscreen. Push the upper part of the bushes underneath the fairing and align the lower windscreen bushes into the respective holes. Let's put the screws back, and that's it. We have successfully installed the new windscreen, and this is how it looks. I am loving it. The Puig is a little more taller, so it provides little more wind protection, but this thing is way better than the stock one. This is, see how short the stock windscreen is. The next step is to take the bike out on a ride and see how the visor performs on the highway.
Let's talk about my visor. So previously the stock visor was shitty. It doesn't give any wind protection. It was super low and I kind of hated it. But then I changed it to the Puig, I think it's the R Racer windscreen. But unfortunately it was very dark. I got that dark smoke by mistake. I ordered the light smoke, but unfortunately I received the dark smoke, and I just said okay, why not, because I was not able to send it back. It was an imported product. So then during my YouTube videos, few of you guys told me that you're not able to see shit through it. All you can see is the visor and the dash, and you cannot see anything through the visor. And yeah, even I figured that even I can't see anything if I tuck in. So I was looking for visor alternatives, and there were options like MRA, Puig, WRS, and the BMW MOTOVLOG tall visor also. But then they all costed somewhere between 10k to 15k. Yes, it is. These visors are worth the cost. But at that moment I was not in a mood to shell out that much cash. So I found something which is non-branded on a Chinese website. So what I thought was, okay, let's give it a try and let's see how the product is. I mean, it was 1/4 of the cost, so I was like, why not give it a try? If it's not good, chuck it. We'll just throw it out and get a proper one. But if it is good, then why the hell should I go and spend another 12-15k on a visor? So I placed an order. 2 months later, I received it. On initial inspections, it looked amazing. It was perfect, man. It was as good as the Puig or the MRA or whatever other branded visors are. On close inspection, there were little imperfections, like for example these edges are not very smooth. They're not sharp, they won't cut you or anything, but they're not very smooth. Second thing, there is a small irregularity, like it's not a perfect semicircle. There's a small, very tiny bit, like this portion and this portion. There's a small irregularity in the curvature. But if you ask me, does it impair your vision when you tuck in? Is there any distortion? No, absolutely not. It looks the same, it feels the same, and the visibility is even better because of the light smoke, but there is no distortion, nothing. Does it bend or does it flex during extreme speeds or if there is too much wind? No, it does give an amazing wind protection. I am actually loving it. The PUIG visor was a bit more taller, so it provided little more protection even when I am sitting upright when I'm touring. But this thing is not as great as that, but in a normal riding stance, this does an amazing job in cutting all the wind. Even right now it's quite windy out there, but compared to the stock visor, this is like 10 times better. The wind is not blowing my head off, it's not hitting my chest. It's really amazing, man. So is it worth every cost? Oh man, it is more than worth every penny. Will I buy this thing again? Sure, why not? I will definitely buy this thing again if at all I need a replacement visor. The advantages for going for a bigger brand is, yes, you have clean cut finishes, there are no imperfections, and I feel they are a little more flexible than brittle compared to this aftermarket non-branded visor. So maybe in a crash, maybe in a crash, this thing can be a safety hazard. I mean, it won't shatter the glass and poke you and all, but it will be a little bit less flexible than the PUIG or the MRA windscreens. So I am happy with this thing, man. I think I messed up the installation. I didn't tighten it properly, man. The visor is hanging from the front two bolts. Shit. I didn't. Oh god, I'm so stupid, man. I hope this doesn't fly off before I reach home. This is why I always cross-check every single screw I tighten. But last week when I was installing it, it was late in the evening and there was so much mosquitoes. I did it all in a hurry, so I didn't have enough time to cross-check everything again. So let's just hope it doesn't fly off and let's get home safely. Shit, man. I should buy new replacement screws because these are from Yamaha and they're made of plastic. It's all stripped. So I should either check for a replacement metal screw or get new screws from Yamaha. Probably do it tomorrow. Sundays Yamaha showrooms will be closed, I guess. So overall, the replacement visor, the non-branded one, it is good. It is definitely worth the cost and I will definitely buy it again. So see you guys next week with another video. Until then, rock out. Bye bye. Love you guys. See you.